how to completely increase your eBay sales. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find an item to list. I will be going over several things. First thing we're going to talk about is how to properly title your eBay listing to increase your eBay sales. In this example, we're going to be listing this Rubbermaid steel gray roughneck storage box. The first thing you want to do is you want to think like a buyer. The most common errors on eBay are mostly because we think like a seller. This is called the buyer versus seller mentality. Instead of copying the source's title, let's ask a few questions about the item. What is it in plain terms? Where can it be used? What else could it be used for? Now, let's think about this for a couple of seconds. In our example, the source title is Rubbermaid Steel Gray Roughneck Storage Box. And if you think about that, what customer do you think would use those terms to find this item? Now ask yourself, would you search any of these words in eBay to find this type of item? Most people will answer no. Why? Using generic terms, usually 3 to 4 words, to search for an item is how a customer thinks. Brand names, for the most part, are irrelevant to a customer. So now let's build a title that customers are looking for. The first 3 to 4 words of your eBay title are the most important. Here are some tips to creating a high converting eBay title. The first 3 to 4 words should always make sense. Describe the item using 3 to 4 words that you, as a buyer, would type into eBay search. Following these strategies will increase your sales. Now, where do we find our keywords? As you can see here, I searched storage box on our example item. As you can see right below the search field on eBay, eBay is going to give you a list of related keyword terms. So based on searching storage box, eBay returned plastic storage box, decorative storage boxes, large storage box, clear storage box, metal storage box, storage containers, and several others. So the first thing we want to think about is, out of all those suggested keywords or related keywords, which ones are relevant to the item that we are talking about. So looking at the related search terms, which of these are relevant to our example product? So based on our example product, plastic storage box, large storage box, or storage containers would be relevant to our listing. Let's build our eBay title. We now know this item is a storage box. We know eBay has suggested other terms. Now ask yourself, as a customer, what 3 to 4 words would you use to find this item? Gray storage box, or plastic storage box? It makes sense, right? eBay title tips. When building your title, you want to remember you want to capitalize the first letter of each word. This makes your listing look more professional. Do not use name brands in your titles. Most customers are not searching for brand names. Do not use any punctuation or characters in your title. Never copy your source title. Now, to build the rest of the title, our first 3 keywords are plastic storage box. So what other words can we use in our title? Remember the suggested keywords eBay shared with us? Plastic, storage, box, home, organization, 18-gallon, packing, container, lid, and durable. As you can see, what I've done with the title is I've taken those first 3 words to make the listing make sense, first of all. Second of all, I used the additional keywords or key terms that eBay suggested without repeating any keywords in my title. Now let's compare. In our example, Overstock had a title of Rubbermaid Steel Gray Roughneck Storage Box. And our new title is Plastic Storage Box Home Organization 18-gallon Packing Container Lid Durable. Which one would you buy? Now, to understand how eBay titling works, you're going to have customers that are looking for a plastic storage box, but they may be looking for a plastic container storage box, or they're looking for a plastic organizational or organization storage box, or they're looking for a plastic storage box with a lid. So as you can see, by focusing on plastic storage box at the beginning of the title, this will allow you to rank for many different words on eBay by using these strategies. Now here's some bonus information for you. How often should you list? This is the most common question. You can list a few a day or a few a week, but what is more beneficial for your sales to increase? Consistency will have a huge effect on your eBay sales for several reasons. Next, we will discuss a blueprint to help you explode your eBay sales even further. You want to list 10 items daily. You definitely want to use the Advanced Listing Creator. Do not skip any days. eBay rewards consistency. So if you're listing on a daily basis and you're listing a certain amount every day without gaps, eBay will reward you when it comes to ranking your eBay items. Follow the training exactly on title building. You definitely want to use the eBay social signals training in the surge level to combine with this training to have the maximum benefit on your eBay sales. You do not have to be the lowest price to get sales, but you should stay competitive with other eBay sellers. If you list 20 items one day a week is enough. This is simply not true. Listing marathons do not increase your sales as much as listing daily.